Pandemic winner BioNTech gaining over 17% today, taking its gains for the week to 37% as investors get bullish on the company's experimental lung cancer drug, which targets the same proteins as Summit Therapeutics therapy. And speaking of Summit, those shares up yet again today, now up more than 160% over the last 5 days. But not all biopharma names surging. Moderna and Roche among the stocks closing out the week firmly in the red. So given the huge swings, we thought we'd ask top analyst Jared Holz of Mizuho if he'd be trading or fading this week's action. Jared, always great to see you. We'll start off with Summit here. I mean, Keytruda killer. That's amazing. But is it worth the gains that we've seen this week?
Great to see you, too. I'm not sure I'd be buying the stock here. I mean, what an incredible move over just a 5-day period. I mean, I think this is a top 5 biotech stock now if you kind of exclude Amgen and Gilead in terms of market cap. So I'm not in love with it here. I mean, I think you've got to take some profit considering this is nearly a $25 billion company now. I know the data is great. They've got to run a phase 3 trial here in the United States and also Europe. Probably not a commercial drug for a while. So I would take some profit here. Obviously, it's a great story, but over 100% gain in a week is pretty amazing.
What is the dynamic since Keytruda will have biosimilars starting in 2028? And if this drug comes to market, there's going to be much lower cost sort of Keytruda alternatives. And I'm wondering how that sort of changes the market in which they launch the new drug.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this is something we kind of try to keep close tabs on, just given the competitive dynamics in oncology. But Merck is going to lose exclusivity in 2028 or 29. And given that, we're going to see some price degradation. There are going to be competitors here. But a lot of it just comes down to the data. Now, Summit says that the PD-1 plus the VEGF is better than Keytruda. So if it actually winds up being so, maybe there's some sort of angle there or edge that they can kind of maneuver to taking market share. But we'll see. A lot of moving parts, obviously.
All right, BioNTech, you flagged this one. It's got a similar therapy to Summit Therapeutics. What can we impute onto BNTX from the Summit data?
Well, this one is complex, right? We're finally moving past the pandemic with this stock, I think. I mean, it's been a vaccine play since 2020. They did a great job, along with Pfizer, getting that product to market. But now, yes, this is kind of a Summit comp. Like you have a situation here where you've got an IO therapy plus VEGF. I think they're running at least a dozen trials as we speak across different tumor types. And the reason why I think this one continues to work is that the enterprise value is just around $10 billion, which is less than half of Summit. So if we're just going to play kind of a market cap game here, which I think a lot of biotech investors will do, I think the stock goes up from here.
Is Merck a buy here?
Oh man, this is a tricky one. I'm staying away from it for now, only because the Gardasil issues that they kind of presented the street with on the second quarter call don't really seem to be ironed out. Now there's this Keytruda risk, which we knew about, but it's heightened given Summit and some of these other IO plays. I'm not really sure what they're going to do from a business development standpoint, which everyone is keyed in on. They're going to have to be more aggressive, I believe, in order to kind of combat some of the exclusivity issues. To me, it's kind of a hold here. I'm not sure. I don't love it at this price. I would like to see some progress with Gardasil, kind of just staying neutral.
Real quick, Novo. Everybody was really excited about amycretin, their oral obesity, but the manufacturing could be tricky here. So should we be excited based on this pill, or do we need more evidence that it can be manufactured at scale?
Yeah, that's the question. I think they'll figure it out over time. I know it's a peptide technology. This is very difficult to manufacture at scale. They do have another oral, which is a cannabinoid receptor. I think the data for that is going to come within weeks, maybe a month from now. So they have another oral weight loss drug that they acquired last year that they seem pretty excited about. So I think when you layer that on top of amycretin, which I think will get better in time in terms of their ability to figure out the logistics, I think Novo's a buy. Again, I think as we look into next year, they're in such a great position. Plus, you've got Alzheimer's disease data about a year from now. So I think the stock is great.